Here's your concise, high-retention script for how to set up a free Skool group. Quick Skool explainer. Want to set up a free Skool group but not sure where to start? Stay with me. I'll walk you through it step by step, show you exactly how it works, and by the end, you'll know whether Skool is actually the best choice for your community. Plus, I've got an exclusive free trial you won't find anywhere else, along with some better alternatives if you want even more flexibility. Let's get into it. First, head over to skool.com and sign up for a free account. They don't offer a fully free plan, but you do get a 14-day free trial to test it out. Once inside, click Create a Group. This is where you'll set up your community. Next thing, customizing a group. Give it a name, add a description, and choose a cover image. This part's important because Skool doesn't have the deep branding options that platforms like Circle or Mighty Networks offer, so your visuals and group name need to stand out. Then, set your group to public or private. Public groups let anyone join, while private ones require approval. Unlike Facebook groups, Skool is designed to be more exclusive, which is great if you're monetizing, but can be limiting if you want massive growth. Now, let's talk about courses and content. Skool has a simple but effective learning system. You can upload modules, PDFs, or embed videos. But keep in mind, it's not as robust as Kajabi or Teachable, so if your main focus is building a full online course business, Skool might feel a bit restrictive. The fourth thing, engagement tools, Skool's gamification, leaderboards, and point system are what set it apart. It's great for keeping people active, but there's no deep analytics to see what's really working. Platforms like Skool focus on simplicity, while others like Circle give you better control over data and automation. Finally, monetization. Skool makes it easy to charge for access, but they don't handle payments directly. You'll need Stripe or PayPal. Compared to something like Mighty Networks, where payments are built in, Skool requires a bit more setup if you're selling memberships. So, is Skool the best option? It's great for community-based learning, but if you need deeper customization, better analytics, or more control over monetization, there are stronger alternatives. That's why I've linked an exclusive extended free trial for Skool below. But if you want more flexibility, I've also added the best free alternatives that might suit your needs better. Check the links in the description and get the best deal possible.